Whoa, just wow. If you can afford it, buy it. Cry once. Right out of the box it's a nail driver. It looks great and it shoots awesome. The G-box is a bit whiny but you forget all that when you tag your target over and over again. 11.1 LiPo is the only way to go with this rifle. This is my first $450 gun. I have some friends I regularly go to the real gun range with and they wanted to start inviting me to go airsoft with them. I've shot a few thousand rounds out of it and love the thing. Shoots fast, straight, and I haven't had any jams. To test it I had a friend put a few in my back at 10 feet. The bruises lasted weeks. This is what you want.